Hey there everybody, Ben here from Sauna Marketplace with a video on how to assemble an Auroom indoor sauna kit. Every Auroom indoor sauna is going to have pretty similar construction techniques, so what you see in this video can be applied to most models. This is a Libera, which comes in multiple sizes, with this specific room being the 59 by 79 Auroom Libera glass in thermal aspen. The instructions are fairly straightforward, and if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us at saunamarketplace.com. The first thing you're going to want to do is open your packing slip. This will contain some important information such as your order number and serial number of your sauna, and it's important to have that later on down the line if you ever need replacement parts or help with the build. After unboxing the crate, you're going to unload panels in an accessible place, allowing for easy identification. Typically, trim pieces will be shrink wrapped together to keep them safe during shipment. You'll find a box with all of the included accessories, your hardware pack, and your lighting kit. Inspect each piece thoroughly after unboxing and document any damage that you might find. It doesn't happen often, but very detailed pictures are super helpful in sending replacement parts. Remember, any damage on the back of the panels or the ends may be hidden once the sauna is assembled. Auroom saunas come with an aluminum base. Remove the screws if pre-installed and reinstall them into the base frame once it's connected. Remember throughout the build to keep checking for level and square every single step of the way. The base frame will be labeled according to the stickers on each panel. Simply match up the label on the panel with the designated location on the base frame. The ceiling panels will have notches cut for the pre-run conduit and venting. The wiring should run up the conduit through the pre-drilled holes and out the roof. Remember to have all electrical connections done by a certified electrician. The lighting strips will differ depending on which model of sauna you purchase, but the concepts shown here will be the same pretty much across the board. Rinse your rocks. There will be dust on them from storage and shipping. The glass panels will close out the front along with the door. The hinges will come assembled and simply need to be taken apart in order to install on the pre-routed notches on your door. You want these screws to be very snug, but not too tight. Last but certainly not least, the trim around the front of your sauna is the final step. Simply lock each trim piece into place using the pre-installed cleats and install screws across the top trim piece to hold it in place. Thank you so much for watching this build video, and please, if you have any questions whatsoever, reach out to us at saunamarketplace.com, where we can honestly say we know these saunas inside and out. We're here to help you every step of the way at saunamarketplace.com.